Welcome to Mahatma Gandhi University, located in the picturesque landscape of Meghalaya. Our interesting range of programs provides an opportunity to choose the knowledge and skills as per the need. We have state-of-art infrastructure with fully Wi-Fi campus. The campus provides smart classrooms, well-furnished hostels, digital library, and fully equipped labs. Students have access to large acre sports complex, fully equipped gym, and music and culture center. We also provides various scholarship to students. Admission open now. Just walk into the campus or give a call.
Nomor ba nilai I nakapur sikapur kat bagi danglong ji student leader ki danglong inong yalam bisang boker gihlah hadu umnong su ndai ndai lapoi hak assembly pembeset tukak ngadu kipor pemuswa ngilapai tekane ka penduk ji senia ya ni ki ba ki bajiat ki nong nikmat hi nata kadau ni dan kam ya ki nong nikmat ki ba i hok sisa ya kari betul ni mi ne ndai bangi kwa bni election ndai bangi don jing thu ban long popular ndai kene kalong ka issue jo ka yap im jo ka jai penrio ndai ngin ya pulut por kai pen lai ka issue jo ka im ka yap jo ka jai penrio bangim kwa ba ku kini kinja hap ka jela jungi ka bri nyu trap jungi nak por sa ko ma tang tai ka demokrasi telada menta ki ngehlah surok mlong ya keren hano mlong ha assembly film ailat kemut kai gini kami dari komunis kene ke demokrasi each and every person has the right to question the government hal kemut kendali ke government mundur harus usap bank kamla benlong kata ni don kam hi benyo ke jing bisar ke boh nilajiat gino mikmat Baginong mikmat jungi gidan hok bentuk lari gini kamu po assembly. Telah ada film ailat po assembly tu pendua no assembly dan kam.
Nala job bun ki jungi kun. Nre yo kobi pendai. Ngaya kun da ketika. Ay ketika kobi pendai. Kanong yukun persya kane kaklam.